Wait a minute. Am I on the naughty list?
Ha! On naughty list. You hold the record. But we overlooked that. We are wiping clean the slate.
Huh. Really? How come?
How come? I tell you how come. Because now you are Guardian. Music!
Welcome back to Brick2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Jack Frost from Rise of the Guardians. We got his white hair from Ursula the Sea Witch. And his head is from Emmett. Moving down, you will need to get him a blue torso, as well as blue arms. Also get him some yellow hands that match his head. Find him a pair of pants in dark nougat. And finally, give him Bo Peep's staff. Don't forget to subscribe because you will not want to miss this epic 5-part special leading up to Easter. We will be showcasing each member of the Guardians.